Would you go with a crease tab here?
I would probably tap that. I'd probably tap that little pinch down still. Okay. You know, you make it. It's okay to make it a little wider. You know what I mean? So we're gonna talk about these tabs right here. These suckers. I've tested some of these right now. Actually, my students have, and they pull like a mofo. And we're about to try it out live, see how it works. I'm not sure if this is the final look of the product here. I'm not even sure what they call. I'm gonna say, well, it looks like, actually, I'm trying to read it here. Dent Reaper. Oh, no wonder they pull well too. You got Keco on here, so they're called the Dent Reaper. Okay, that explains it. So they're like almost like a dead center octagon, right? Now this dent is ain't no joke either, dude. This is like, we got a nice little dent here. We're gonna see how well it pulls, and I think that's the one we want. We're gonna go with that one. Okay, you got it prepped. Got it. We're using a trifecta collision glue, cordless glue gun right here with the hog glue. So let's just see how this works, dude. Good. Nice job. Yep. Looks like dead center to me. He's using, FYI, he's just using a fast PDR slide hammer. Nope, what happened? Okay, so I think basically, personally, I think is we need to alcohol that really well. All right, put it on and then pull. Okay, we don't want to wait too long on that one. What's the next side? Who has the next side? You have the biggest one? Yeah, that is the biggest one, I think, right there that they have. At least I have. So Vidin sends me a video of like he has 1 million tabs, dude. He's going 1 million tabs. He's like, look at all these tabs, right? And I'm gonna send you some. And I was like, cool. Open up my box, right? It's a big box too, right? all these stickers. All these awesome stickers. Don't get me wrong; these are awesome. Look at this. Hallelujah! Yeah, you got to heat that panel. And he sends me 4 tabs, dude. And he's going like this. Yeah, look at all this, man. I should just put that in there. I'm just giving him crap now, dude. Did you warm it up?
Warmed it up.
You warmed it up? Okay. Now you're live, dude. You better not like make his tab look bad, dude.
Trying not to. Hopefully this one gets a real pull.
Is that the biggest tab?
Yeah, that's the biggest one you gave me.
Okay. All right. Okay. It pulled. It pulled. And actually, I've seen these things snap harder than that.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah, that one wasn't.
And that was like mediocre snap.
Yeah.
And okay, so actually, why don't you do a double pull? Okay, we pulled a little bit of the shoulder of it. To me personally, this thing wants to pull. You notice, ladies and gentlemen, we didn't try to like put a big tab on there and fit it in there because we would have pulled shoulders and not the center. So that's what we're doing. So when I say a double pull, that means he's pulled once and then he's going to pull again without tapping down in between. Now, that is a rule. Technically, you would want to tap down and then set it up, but we're going to break the rule a little bit here. There you go. Push hard there. Give it a little tug, pop, okay? It still doesn't pull the way I want, dude.
I don't know if I heated the panel quite enough. They're not pulling like they have been.
Here, let me do a shot. You film it. That's actually pretty good. It's actually not
Yeah, I got it out,
That's
but they've
actually-
been pulling a lot harder than
It's
that.
not bad. Okay, you film. Okay.
Mike's on deck. It was a little cooler today. We had to heat the panels.
I should have just shit. Actually, I should have done this first, but oh well. I just pulled the pin a little bit. It's pulling that metal's like stretching up. Dude. All right. So we get on high heat. Check the glue. Just gonna give it a little extra love. I'm gonna place it pretty hard. Let it sit for like, let's do set, let it sit. Oh shit, what happened to my freaking pen? Boy, this demo's not doing very good, man.
I was just about to say, here comes the real one.
Oh, you know what it is, you guys? I heated this up so hot, I didn't let it cool down.
It's too hot and you didn't let the glue cool.
Yeah.
Getting too excited for your own.
That's my bad. That's my bad.
Getting too excited for your own good.
Hill guys are going, guys, dang it, Mike, just freaking pull it, will you? Alright. Give it a little bit of love. What I like to do is I like to just put my finger like that so it doesn't like slide pop off.
That one's got a real hook. Yeah.
So
look at the high we got there.
Warm the panel up. Prep it, do all that good stuff. Make sure it's cooled down enough. And then wait for the pull, and look at that mountain.
That's a mountain.
Okay, so let's. A lot of people like to see how I tap down, but I'll just tap down. How's that? Good. All right. A little bit of love. I like to bring it in just a little bit, and then let me go to R4, something like this. Okay. First, can you see?
Yep.
Huh? Where's my famous paddle? There it is. All right, one. What an R4 does is it allows me to get a big bulk of that pinched down without making all these little micros. I'll move the board just a little bit further out. I'll go with a skinny VIP. Move my board out just a little bit further back. Now generally, you don't want to knock it, hit it and pull it that high. But we're just trying to show the power of that. And then I'll kind of go back to my
Yes,
40s.
them new tabs are very powerful.
And then what I would do is, like, since I had little micro loads in there, I could go probably just a smaller tab, and not. He's got this. Can you pass me one of your little tiny? No, that one right there. Yeah. So we got the tinier one right here. So I would just sniper that out. I don't think I need to heat the panel up on this one. All right. Trifecta, just a tiny glue. Now, when you have smaller glue, you don't really wait as long because it's a smaller area. Shoot. That seems to be working. And before I'll do that, I'll just kind of just go over here too as well. I'm not gonna pull that glue off yet. Just kind of a little bit something there. Look up. I'm watching the reflection just a little bit. It's pulling already, dude. All right. Now we're warming up. All right, and then I'll just do this. And those are pretty strong pulls for a little guy, right? And then I'll just come with these sharp taps. Just kind of pull it back and just kind of just. And then just kind of just go over again a little bit of it. I made a little bit of a low there. I want to get the general reflection down. Snipe this out one more time, and I'll probably cheat a little bit. I'm not even prep or anything. Let's just see how good, how sticky icky it is.
Ooh, wait.
And then we'll get going. One, two. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
I mean, these little ones pull like a mofo, man.
I think when you get it around the edge, it makes a big difference.
Look at that. Look how hard that is, dude. I mean, that's a crazy pull right there.
Yes, it is.
So, again, if you guys are like, you get a real sharp high, you can use an R4, or this is the VIP with a R4 cherry cap on it, and you can just play it safe.
So good.
And pretty much there you go. So do these tabs work? Absolutely. So you guys be the judge. I thought it worked pretty good. Let me know you guys' thoughts. I know it took a little bit for us to get going, but yeah, it did really well. There's some small stuff I need to touch up, but generally this is the demo about how strong they are, and these are really good. I mean, these small ones right here. That was the last one we pulled with. Okay. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Talk to you guys later. See ya.